Let's see how the 2025 release wave of Power Apps equips companies with powerful new tools to boost efficiency, optimize workflows, and drive greater business impact. Let's start by bringing the challenge to the plan designer, uploading any relevant documents, diagrams, or reference materials. Almost instantly, a team of intelligent agents reviews the context, asks clarifying questions, and begins formulating a comprehensive approach to address our needs. The agents break down the problem, identify key steps, and suggest best practices drawn from their specialized expertise. Among them, the process agent plays a central role. It collaborates with us to sketch detailed process diagrams, iteratively refining workflows until they capture the optimal sequence of actions. Throughout this collaborative process, we stay informed, provide feedback, and see our solution evolve in real time into a polished, actionable plan. Using natural language, we team up with the app agent, our expert in crafting tailored Power Apps to refine our solution. We can ask the agent to build a calendar view of work orders, complete with critical details like order ID, due date, and status. The agent guides us through its thought process, generating the underlying code in real time. As we observe each step, we can tweak the layout, adjust data sources, and validate logic on the fly. We see updates instantly in the preview, giving us immediate feedback and confidence before deployment. This interactive approach accelerates development and ensures the final app meets our exact business needs. In our app, an intelligent data exploration agent empowers users to effortlessly navigate and interpret inventory and order data. By typing natural language queries like orders with order status of processing, we can instantly filter interactive charts and dashboards. Beside each visual, the agent generates concise, auto-summarized insights highlighting critical data for each order, such as quantities, delivery dates, and order numbers. Additionally, the app features an agent feed where users monitor real-time events, including new sales order creation, low inventory restock alerts, and shipment confirmations. Each entry is linked to its relevant record and displayed in a clear, chronological timeline. Here is a calendar view that shows all scheduled events per day, helping teams plan around upcoming milestones. For field drivers, the app delivers a personalized day roadmap on their iPad, complete with optimized route maps, digital product manuals, and step-by-step installation instructions, ensuring they have everything they need at their fingertips. Now, let's switch gears and look at the Copilot Hub. Here, admins can ensure that the app is secured and governed, and at a glance, they can see details around upcoming new features that will be released. They can also track how the intelligent applications agents are being used across environments, and even drill into specific agents and see the top environments where it's in use. The Power Apps product page also directly links admins to the relevant AI and agent settings for Power Apps for easier governance. To learn more about the Power Apps 2025 Release Wave 2, we encourage you to check out their release plans.